My name is Ryan Baum. I'm the fuels technician on the South Fork zone of the Caribou-Targhee National Forest. Today we're in Rainy Creek, Lower Rainy Creek, outside of Swan Valley, pile burning. Our project here is reaching multiple resource objectives. First of all, it's a hazardous fuels reduction project to mitigate large wildfire near the community of Swan Valley and within the wildland-urban interface. And secondly, it's a big game wildlife habitat restoration project. So the process of pile burning, we began this project about this time last year with the mechanical treatment, the point where they'll effectively burn down, and they should burn down nicely, leave very little residual slash behind. As far as the public burning slash piles, please follow the local protocol, notify your local fire department, maintain the appropriate approval, and be very cautious of the conditions.